Alright, so this is the package that I installed a little over 3 days ago. I believe it was Wednesday I installed it. Today is Saturday evening. So I installed it on Wednesday. I had to do an emergency split on my other hive because it was very packed and it was ready to start swarming. So I made a split, and I also took, since this is a young package, most everything in here should be nurse bees to begin with. I took a frame of brood and a frame of nurse bees out of my super strong hive, and I installed it along with this package. Now let's see how well we're gonna do. I'm gonna see if the queen's been released. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get in here. I can feel the heat already. It's very warm, so that's nice. The feed has already been used up. A little bit of feed left in that jar. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna pull this one off. Amen. And we're gonna open this sucker up. I should be doing this from behind the hive, but yeah, I got chlorophyll in it, so I'm gonna do this out from the front. With a little smoke. Okay, she's giving it some smoke. I'm listening to it. It's roaring. It's roaring very loud. So I know that the bees are in there. I know that they're doing good. Let's see if they got the queen out. Okay. Look at that. Up here, Cora. No. Film.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay.
Where's your flashlight?
It's up there. Can you just grab that for me? Okay, I got bees going in and out through there. So I'm gonna pull that out and see what we got. And they've set that down in there really nice. Okay, here we go. Now this is the one I had problems with the cork.
Out.
I'll make sure that's okay. I just want to make sure that they're okay. They're all exiting. Very good. Okay, now like I said, this is the one I put the frame. There's a frame of brood in this one from the other bees. There's probably a little bit of fighting that was going on. Now they're all still alive. They're all doing their thing. They're eating. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that pollen patty and I'm gonna lay that pollen patty in here. They're really going at it. They're going through their stores. slide across there like that. Maybe off to one side so that they can get up and get their stores here.
Where's Chuka water?
Feed them more sugar water. Now, since, like I said, this is a package, you saw me put the pollen patty in there. There isn't much foragers in this one yet, so it's really important to keep these them fed. Now, because I put a frame of brood in there, we should have brood coming out here pretty soon. We should see some foraging here in the next couple of days. Still getting a little chilly at night, so I'm still insulating the hive a little bit. So that was the package the other day, and they look like they're doing all right.